Well, for me, being somewhat of a novice going through the mortgage process, my biggest fear was that I'd have somebody representing us that would gloss over the important parts or maybe take advantage of the fact that we didn't know what we were doing. And Emmanuel was available 24/7, 365. He answered every question patiently for us. He also walked us through a very volatile time in the marketplace when interest rates were changing rapidly. And he didn't force us to do anything we didn't want to do, but he kept us abreast of the changes that were happening on a day-by-day basis so that we can make informed, intelligent decisions. And that was really important for me. We're having a baby.
And we're getting a house. And
incredible.
So this is the magic of how well Emmanuel worked for us. We're in flight. And by the time we landed, we had our full contract drawn up. He had papers ready for us.
Yeah.
He was like, if we need to close within 30 days, we're going to get it done. We had
Pretty much took over.
He really did. And we had some really unique financial things because I had invested in some real estate earlier on. As we know, the market here was so volatile that I ended up, with some things on my credit that wouldn't allow me to actually be on the mortgage. He was a first-time home buyer. So again, he kind of presented to us all the different options that would work best in our budget. He helped us work numbers that would save us cash to actually put cash in our pocket so that we could do the renovations that we wanted so the house would be move-in ready by the time we have the baby.
Yeah, reputation is everything, right? And in my business, I don't make recommendations upon anybody because it's a reflection upon me, right? And I have recommended multiple times to friends and coworkers and clients that Emmanuel would be a good person to turn to. Mm-hmm. He really is. It was that good of a feeling, when you walk away from an experience like that and you feel like somebody else had your best interests in mind. Right. It makes that suggestion and that recommendation easy.
And I would say that's another great aspect about him or quality is that everything was confidential. It's not like he went around the rest of our group of friends and said, hey,
that's a good point.
Christina and Aaron are making X and they have this much debt and they have this or that. I mean, again, just extremely professional and I appreciated his confidentiality.
There's definitely a difference between professional Eman and business Emmanuel.
This is true. Yay!